Hey everybody, Jen here. This is an exciting day because I have not purchased a Coach bag in about 18 years. Let me show you the last bag I bought. This I got from the Coach outlet around 2005, something like that. The bag still looks incredible. This is the Coach signature Soho hobo bag, something like that. Looks pretty good and I have cleaned it up, but I've made another purchase and I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get this out of the box. I got this on a really good sale, and the first time I saw it, it sold out, so I was like, oh, that's kind of a bummer. Then it came back in stock for like 5 minutes, and there was one, so I bought it. And I saw a bunch of reviews on this bag, and I thought it was really cute. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Speedy, but like a very small size. Ooh. All right, it's packaged really well. Okay, this is exciting because I bought some bags somewhat recently, and the packaging was atrocious, and the bag was kind of beat up. This one looks like it's well protected. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So it's not like a return or anything like that. Let's get this out of the package here. All right, so what did I purchase? I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with the Coach packaging. Even though this is Coach outlet, it's really well protected. Ooh, this is the Mini Rowan and it's in leather and the color is blush pink. What a gorgeous bag. I think for the price, it's a really good value. It's all leather. It's got some sea quilting here, accent glazing. Wow, look how everything is so well protected here. It even has like a little tissue paper pillow protecting the handles. That's pretty crazy here. I gotta say, Coach and Dooney and Burke have had really great packaging. Unfortunately, my experience with Ralph Lauren, not so much, but Coach and Dooney and Burke, all of the items I've gotten from there have been really well protected and nothing was damaged in shipping or anything like that. So I've been pretty impressed. Look, even the strap has this little like foam sheets covering it. So that's pretty cool. All right, ooh. This is sort of a little satchel with top handles, but you can also attach a removable adjustable strap with the little D-rings on the side. And what I like about this bag too is that the zipper goes down the sides, so I should be able to open the bag up a little bit wider. I'm excited about this. I saw this, it was so freaking cute. I just couldn't resist. This one is blush pink with gold hardware. They had another one with the same quilting that was black with silver hardware. This bag also comes in a lot of different other colorways. Usually, I think there's a few in the Coach signature coated canvas as well. They stock different ones at any time, but I see them pretty frequently on the Coach outlet website, so you should be able to find one. I will link some below. They are affiliate links, but I purchased this myself. Of course, not sponsored or anything like that. I just thought this one was so pretty. I loved the gold hardware. I've seen a lot of these with silver hardware, and I don't know, I just prefer the gold. I don't want to accidentally scratch the bag. This is such a little cutie though. I think this bag would be great if you're just like running out or if you're just going to meet somebody for lunch or something. And I really like how the handles are kind of padded and they kind of stand up too. So the handles don't just drop down immediately when you set the bag down. So here is the strap and you can just attach it like this. A little strap keeper here. So I love this. So you could wear this as a shoulder bag as well. You could wear it as a crossbody, or you could just carry it top handle, which is probably what I'm going to do most of the time. Look at this hardware though. What a beautiful bag. I am in love with the color. I don't have a bag of this shade of pink, and I actually don't really have a lot of bags this style, the satchel bag. I did order a larger Dooney and Burke one, so that should be coming soon. Wow, look at all this tissue paper too. This is really well packaged here. I'm gonna have to get all this stuff out so we can see what fits inside and everything. Yeah, bravo Coach, because this is really, I've ordered some other bags recently and they did not do so well in the packaging department. All right, we got silica packets. Wow, there is a lot of tissue in here. The zipper feels really nice too. It's pretty smooth. It's a metal zipper. I just took some measurements. The bag is about 7 inches long. It's about 4.5 inches deep and about 5 inches tall. So it should be able to fit a phone and your other essentials. I've got the iPhone 13 Pro here. We'll try to put this inside. This does fit. It's a little bit snug, not gonna lie. It's a tiny bit snug here. Here's my key pouch here. That fits inside too. And I've got my Coach multifunction card case. All right, it's a little bit snug, but it definitely fits some essentials. Here's some hand lotion as well. Nothing too crazy, but it should be able to fit some small items. I also ordered a Coach card case, and that should be coming later today actually. So I should have something a little bit slimmer than this. This is a great little wallet, but it is a little bit bulkier than some of the others. So I'm gonna be trying out the card case for my smaller bags, such as this. And just for reference, here is my dress up your purse mini pochette. This probably wouldn't fit, it's probably a little bit big. Put some lip stuff in here. I mean, you can definitely get a lot of items in here for your day out. So a lot of stuff does fit in here. Let me open this up wide here. So you can get a lot in here. Oh, and here's some more styrofoam. Look at like how well protected this is. The lining is kind of a darker fabric. One thing I do kind of wish this was a lighter color just so you could see better inside. That might be my only negative about this bag, but it is really cute. The leather quality looks really nice. It feels nice. It's structured, but it's still kind of squishy. And there aren't any feet on the bottom. That would have been cool too. The thing with the feet hardware is that they do tend to get kind of beat up looking. So, but this does have a leather bottom on it. The leather smells really good. And it does have the signature Coach hang tag here, which my other bag has as well. So here's two bags about 18 years apart. This is the last Coach I bought. And this one actually, they probably fit about the same amount of stuff. So I've got a little black bag and now I have a little pink bag, both purchased at the Coach outlet, 18 years apart. But yeah, what a little cutie. I just love the leather of this bag. I love the quilting and the padded handles. Like they're really very comfortable. I just think this will be a really cute bag to carry around. It's not real heavy and it can fit the basics in here. $378. I did not pay that. Let's just say that. It has the little Coach leather plaque on the one side. And then on the other side, it has, okay, there's like 2 card slots. That's cool. So you could just put your cards in here and sort of use this as a wallet if you wanted to leave you more space for stuff inside. So far, my initial impressions of this bag, I like it. I think it is really well made. I think it's a good value for the money. And again, these are always popping up on the Coach outlet. I've also seen a lot of these on the resale market. So if you want this particular color, I have seen a few on Mercari and Poshmark. So just look for Coach Mini Rowan in the blush pink. But what a darling bag. I just think this is such a cutie. I can't wait to use it. If you have a Coach Mini Rowan, let me know. Is this on your wish list? I just think this is an adorable little bag, perfect for kind of a minimalist day out or just, you know, errands, that sort of thing. But I just think it's a real showstopper. And I think this pink would coordinate with a lot of different outfits. I just love pink. This is very like Legally Blonde, Clueless to me, Barbie. I actually only have like one other pink bag, but it has a top flap. So I am selling that on Mercari just because I do prefer bags with a top zip or just like a tote bag style that's open at the top. But this is such an adorable bag. I think I'm in love. So anyways, I'm Jen. I'll see you guys again in the next video and check out some of my other bag videos while you're here.